Do you want to turn off the sensitive content filter on TikTok? You can instantly change your content preferences to remove restricted mode and see a wider variety of videos on your feed. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off the sensitive content filter on your TikTok account, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open your settings menu page. Scroll down and find Content Preferences and tap on it. On this page, you will see an option for restricted mode. Tap on it. If your restricted mode is currently on, tap the Turn Off button at the bottom of the screen. If you or a parent previously set up a passcode for this feature, you will be prompted to enter it now to confirm the change. Once confirmed, the restriction will be removed instantly, allowing you to view unfiltered content on your For You page.